here we are with a mini excavator. My little boy Zach's operating it. What we're doing is we're cleaning out these ditches here, and we're dumping them in the back of this Polaris Ranger. It's got a dump bed, and we'll go dump them off the side of the road right here. Not a good bite. Get another bite.
What?
You didn't get nothing. Get another bite. That's good. Good job. So what he's doing is he's cleaning it out. He's then letting it shake over the ditch so we don't get none on this express driveway. He's dumping it right in the back of the Ranger here. We ran this thing for 4 hours yesterday cleaning out ditches, and it used probably a gallon. You didn't get nothing. He used about a gallon of diesel fuel in 4 hours. He's still learning. I mean, you know, he's fixing to be 12 years old. He's doing pretty good. There you go. Good job. The cool thing about having that thumb on there too is it'll actually help hold what you got in your bucket. Boom down. All right, let's go dump it. So now what are you gonna do? Lock your hydraulics. Lock it. Okay, come on. Get on side by side, back it up over here. We get about 4 or 5 scoops in this little dump bed here, and we got to dump it. What we're going to do is dump it off this side right here where it don't really matter. All right, hold on. Let me get the tailgate. All right, back it up. All right, so what we do, pull this lever here, and it dumps all out. All right, back it back over. We got a little bit of spillage there. Come on back. Come on back. All right. All right, hold the phone. We're recording here.
Okay.
I'm gonna rake this real quick. That's for you two people. Talking about our excavator. What we're doing in these ditches. I'll rake a little bit back like this. I'll get a pile over here. You can get that excavator and get that. A big rock right there.
Yeah, it is.
show them how to do it. Get on here. Unlock the hydraulics. Now you're ready to go. Scoot your machine on down this way. So stay about 3 or 4 inches off the side of the road here. And I give you the exact geometry you need. Get your bucket in there. Scoop that stuff out with. Let me back the side by side up. Boom down. Stick up. Stick up. There you go. Boom up. Go ahead, dig it up, boy. Hey, get you a better bite than that. Redo it, get another bite. Get them teeth out there, get you another bite. One thing I noticed about this machine here, the hydraulic shows a little bit over full, but as it moves around, you'll see the bubble. The motor engine in there is rocking and rolling. I did put a radio on this guy. We got a repeater up there on that water tower, way back over there. And these radios work with between our tractor, side by side, and the machine. I also put lights on this thing too, LED lights. 2 here, and I put 2 right here. It really works good at night. This is that anti-slip material we put on here. Works really good. Go ahead and dump it. Boom down. All right, there you go. This is my little antenna right here for my radio. Like a little tail on the back. Curl your bucket, curl your bucket. Stick it out, stick out. There you go. That way you can shake all the dirt off, okay? Boom up a little bit. All right, dump it. Don't dig no more here, go down some. We gotta back it up. Oh. Boom down. Boom down. All right, might have to drive forward some. We really didn't have to clean this ditch out much at all. It's got a little buildup in it. We cleaned out the last 50-foot of ditch with the excavator yesterday. I think the rains that's coming Wednesday is going to clean most of that out. This part right here is just full of leaves and dirt and everything else. But But yeah, the best way we found to dig out these ditches, like I said, is get about 3 or 4 foot off the side of the road here. You can get you a couple bites on it. Stick out. There you go. Use the back of your bucket right here and push it in. Boom up. No, boom up. Back up. Stick down. Throw your bucket. All right, hold up. I have to back up. All right, curl your bucket open. Curl your bucket open. All right, stick down. There you go. All right, there you go. Hold up. Hold it. Hold it. Up. 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 Down. Easy. Down. Easy. Easy. Down. Now curl your bucket out. Okay. Go ahead. Yeah. That's how you do it. That's a good one. You can drive forward. Hey, you got a whole spot right there you gotta get. Yeah, I say if you guys are looking to get a excavator, one of these Chinese excavators, I say it's well worth the money. I mean, look at what we're doing here. I mean, keep in mind, he's almost 12 years old. And his feet don't even reach the bottom down there. They're hanging up there. But he's having a good time. But we're getting stuff done. I mean, you can do this stuff with a shovel or a rake, but why would you? You got an excavator. Let's do it. Stick out. There you go. Yeah, it's going to take a lot of seat time for him to get the finesse part of it. Anyway, we love our excavator, so if you guys get a chance to get one, I highly suggest get one. Appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe. We'll have more about the excavator as we go on. Thanks.